Water's health benefits. Weight loss with water. Are you interested in weight loss? There are numerous health advantages to drinking water, but not enough people are aware of them. Most people are aware that water makes up the majority of the human body. Even though, occasionally we find ourselves dehydrated because we don't drink enough water. Dehydration symptoms include increased thirst, fatigue or sleepiness, a dry mouth, decreased urine flow, headache, dry skin, dizziness, and darker colored urine. Frequent or regular urine throughout the day is a sign that we are drinking enough water. The target is to urinate 7 to 9 times daily, at least 6 to 7 of which should be clear urine. Be sure to drink a full glass of water as soon as you notice that your urine is beginning to become a little bit dark. You've come to the right place if you're curious about what happens when you drink water on an empty stomach, or if you're drinking water to lose weight. Various reasons for increasing your water intake. If you drink water first thing in the morning, it not only makes you feel less sleepy, but it also fills you up so you don't eat as much, which is a terrific method to decrease the calories and lose weight. Try filling up on water to help you lose weight because it can. Can you determine whether hot or cold water is healthier for you while we're talking about water? Enhances the growth of red blood cells. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps red blood cells grow. You will feel more energized and refreshed first thing in the morning as a result of producing more oxygenated blood. Headache relief. Early in the morning or throughout the day, headaches are typically a sign that you don't drink enough water. Drinking at least 7 ounces of water in the morning can prevent headaches. Boosts the immune system. Your immune system depends on water. Infections will be decreased by maintaining a constant fluid balance in your body. Your immune system will be strengthened and your risk of getting sick will be reduced if you drink water early in the morning on an empty stomach. Boosts energy. Water consumption encourages the formation of red blood cells, which boosts energy. Your energy levels are maintained as a result. Refreshes your skin. Drinking enough water will keep your skin clear and prevent wrinkles. Glowing. Acne usually result from bowel movements that aren't regular. Once that is established as normal, toxins will start to exit the body and help in detoxification. Less acne and breakouts result from this. Boosts the activity of your metabolism. One's metabolic rate is said to rise by around 24% after drinking hot water. Your body burns more calories as a result. As a result, you will digest and process meals much more quickly and effectively. Due to the fact that hunger and thirst are frequently confused, drinking water helps people lose weight. If you are feeling hungry, drink some water and then assess whether you still crave food. Warm water helps in digestion and helps in the digestion of food in the stomach. It can help in the regrowth of skin cells, increasing flexibility. Additionally, hot water stimulates the colon to become more active in the digestive system, preparing the body for greater meal absorption throughout the day.